In this video, we will discuss about turbocharger. A turbocharger, also known as a turbo, is a turbine-driven forced induction device that increases an internal combustion engine's efficiency and power output by forcing extra compressed air into the combustion chamber. This improvement over a natural aspirated engine's power output is due to the fact that the compressor can force more air and proportionately more fuel into the combustion chamber than atmospheric pressure alone. Turbochargers were originally known as turbo superchargers when all forced induction devices were classified as superchargers. Today, the term superchargers is typically applied only to mechanically driven forced induction devices. The key difference between a turbocharger and a conventional supercharger is that a supercharger is mechanically driven by the engine, often through a belt connected to the crankshaft, whereas a turbocharger is powered by a turbine driven by the engine's exhaust gas. Compared with a mechanically driven supercharger, turbochargers tend to be more efficient but less responsive. Twin chargers refer to an engine with both a supercharger and a turbocharger. Manufacturers commonly use turbochargers in truck, car, train, aircraft, and construction equipment engines. The turbocharger has three main components. The turbine, which is almost always a radial inflow turbine, but in almost always a single stage axial inflow turbine in large diesel engine. The compressor, which is almost always a centrifugal compressor, and the center housing hub rotating assembly. Many turbochargers installation use additional technologies such as wastegates, intercooling, and blow-off valves. The turbine and impeller wheel size dictate the amount of air or exhaust that can flow through the system and the relative efficiency at which they operate. In general, the larger the turbine wheel and compressor wheel, the larger the flow capacity. Measurement and shape can vary as well as curvature and number of blades on the wheels. Compressor. The compressor increases the mass of intake air entering the combustion chamber. The compressor is made up of an impeller, a diffuser, and a volute housing. The flow range of a turbocharger compressor can be increased by allowing air to bleed from a ring of holes or a circular groove around the compressor at a point slightly downstream of the compressor inlet. Center hub rotating assembly. The center hub rotating assembly houses the shaft that connects the compressor impeller and turbine. It also must contain a bearing system to suspend the shaft, allowing it to rotate at very high speed with minimum friction. For instance, in automotive application, the center hub rotating assembly typically uses a thrust bearing or ball bearing lubricated by a constant supply of pressurized engine oil. The center hub rotating assembly may also be considered water cooled by having an empty and exit point for engine coolant. The potted shroud is a performance enhancement that allows the compressor to operate at significantly lower flows. It achieves this by forcing a simulation of impeller stall to occur continuously. Allowing some air to escape at this location inhibits the onset of surge and widens the operating range. While peak efficiencies may decrease, high efficiency may be achieved over a greater range of engine speeds. Increase in compressor efficiency results in slightly cooler intake air, which improves power. This is a passive structure that is constantly open. The ability of the compressor to provide high boost at low RPM may also be increased marginally. Potted shroud are used by many turbocharger manufacturers. A turbocharger's performance is closely tied to its size. Large turbochargers take more heat and pressure to spin the turbine, creating lag at low speed. Small turbochargers spin quickly but may not have the same performance at high acceleration. To efficiently combine the benefits of large and small wheels, advanced schemes are used such as twin turbochargers, twin scroll turbocharger, or variable geometry turbochargers.